Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Getting Drunk with Mark. Today, we've got something tasty, maybe. Speculoos cookie butter beer. Imperial golden ale with toasted coconut, vanilla beans, and natural flavors. It's 9.5% alcohol. Right up my alley. Made with whole vanilla beans, milk sugar, and toasted coconut. This full-bodied ale pairs with just about any treat topped with your favorite deliciously unusual cookie butter spread. I love Speculoos. I love Speculoos ice cream. I love Speculoos just about everything. So this is probably made for Trader Joe's, Hardywood Park Craft Brewery, Richmond, Virginia. Haven't heard of them. I don't know if it's a craft brewery or a one of those that just brews for other people. Pour slowly into a stem glass. Pretend this has a stem. So let's give it a try. Got stemmed glasses. I have all kinds of beer glasses and booze glasses. Smells kind of like Speculoos. Hi, Raja. Raja the Wonder Cat is here, our official co-host. Filling in for Baja the Wonder Dog. Raja, would you like to come say hi to the internet? No? Come here. What do you... Don't know, you can't rub on the internet. She's being a cat. Anyway, nice golden color, lots of effervescence, some good viscosity. Oh, hi, you decided to show your butt to the internet? I'm sure the internet appreciates your butt. Cats, am I right? Just remember, showing your butt is a huge compliment to a cat. So, congratulations, internet. You have been chosen worthy of seeing Raja butt. Would you like a drink? No, you can't have a drink. Okay, here's the beer. It smells sticky and cinnamony. Kind of like Speculoos or a sticky bun, cinnamon bun. Tastes like sweet Speculoos. I'm ready to spread it on a graham cracker. Oh, you showed them your butt already. They don't need more. Sorry, internet. Well, I don't want to see it. Cats. So it's sweet and it tastes like Speculoos and beer. No, don't knock the internet over. She's trying to rub on you now. It's okay. It's not my usual cup of tea or beer. I like something hoppy or a nice full-bodied stout. I'm not a sweet person, except I do love my Speculoos. They had Speculoos filled candy bars that were good. Of course, now that I'm on a diet, unless they come out with a Speculoos covered salad, I'm SOL. Except for an occasional beer. It's all right. Like I said, it's if you like Speculoos and you like beer, then you might like this. I'm getting the lactose. I'm getting the coconut. just sweeter than my usual thing. So it's a thumbs up. Definitely worth a try. But I'll stick with my IPAs and stouts and other such things. Either really hoppy or really malty. Sweet, not so much. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Come back and watch us again next time. And have a great day. Cheers!